Hey guys, let's explain about iceberg siren. Yeah, tornadoes and iceberg. Here's the first one. Oh, if you just go to Google Maps and you search, forgot the location is here. No, guys, I forgot the location is. That kind of this shape of a hankuku siren. It's not a, it looks like a hankuku, but it's red. It's next to a here comes siren. Yeah, it's a hankuku. It's next to a here comes siren. But there's four hankukus. Yeah, hankuku looks like this siren. I don't know if it's this one, but I'm gonna pick it's this one. Because it has the same shroud. But this is clearly unknown. Haven't ever guys seen this picture? Yeah, this siren. Don't know what this siren had 3 horns and a motor. This doesn't even make sense. Like the China. I had no info if it's this. This is the blue Atty. I don't know why the logo. Maybe it belongs to another siren company. But it looks like Addy. Show me. I'll show you more pictures. I don't know what's wrong at this siren, but we don't see anything. Well, watch this video. Credit mark deck siren. Credit.
This is a test of the tsunami warning siren. Do not be alarmed.
Have you ever guys got into Tumana Bridge? Well, if you don't know what is Tumana Bridge, it's a Marikina location in SM Barangay City. I mean, that's not the scene in SM Marikina. So guys, I'm over here, Tumana Bridge, Philippines. Yeah, it's very normal. You only see MCDRMO and Howler Center. If you go to Howler Center, change it to 2014. This is the lost footage of the lost picture of Howler Siren. Yeah, it's clearly lost. After ages, in 2019, they just deleted the horn. The rotor is curved. Even in 2023, they added this howler. I'll show you guys a video. Yeah, guys, that's the footage. Oh, right. So, guys, this is the last location. Guys, this is the last malware of tornado siren. This is the last location. So, do you know the removed siren? I'll show you a picture of Google. This one. I don't know what unknown of this, but it's sent at the museum. It's fully clean at the museum. It got put at the storage room at the museum, guys. Another old photo of it. So I don't know what about this siren or super sirens, but let's move on the next one. Oh, have you ever seen the 500 act like this? Yeah. So this is the incident happening. There's different kind of 500 apps, like flat shroud, dual. How about this 500 app? We'll watch this video. This is the video incident. Yeah, this video was created in 2023. Yeah, this 500 app got hit by an air. Let's move on. The last incident. Do you know this Decot arrow location? This is the most final incident. So this red arrow got burned to pieces and the rotator is not working. I'm not even joking. It burned. Show you a video. Credit to Krusty Siren video. Wait. We're not gonna watch the full video. We need to the end. Look, it's an incident. Let's replay that again. Yeah, it clearly broke. That's all for this video. Goodbye.